Hello! What's up guys? Welcome back. I have a special guest today. This is Quincy.
Hey, my name is Quincy and this is Ivan, the king of soft boy and every makeup look boy looks. He's featured Sephora, like.
No, I'm thankful and I'm happy to have Quincy here today so I can do his makeup. He's visiting from Canada. Today we're gonna turn him into a soft anime boy. Soft.
Is that the thing?
I think so.
Alrighty then.
If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And let's just get started with the video. Alright, let me prep your skin. Oh wait, let's try contacts. So we got these green contacts and I wanted to see him with the blonde hair and the green contacts. And my inspiration today is going to be
Dragon Prince.
Dragon Prince on Netflix. It's the same creators as Avatar: The Last Airbender, which is probably still one of the best animations that I've... What's your favorite character from Avatar?
Azula, because she was a baddie.
You're Aquarius, right?
Yeah. Oh. I like anyone typically in the Fire Nation. When they talk about fire, it's not just destructive, but also there's healing towards it.
I'm more of like a water person, I think. Even though I'm a Gemini and like super airy with everything. So water can also like destroy and heal at the same time. It's kind of cool. It shows up a little bit, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it shows up.
Really good?
Cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh guys, I also got my ears pierced.
Wow, he's living
my
the full
first-
e-boy fantasy. It looks really good. Does it hurt? Did it hurt?
No, actually no.
No.
So if anybody's like wanting to get your lobes pierced, it doesn't hurt at all.
I just feel like kind of scared doing it still.
Maybe after you get your first one, you won't be scared. Cause like now I want like all of these like.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna prep his skin before applying.
My skin is actually really bad.
It's not. What are you stressed about?
Just life generally, like, it just sucks.
Life is hard. Life is hard, y'all. Be kind.
That's why I'm like trying to figure out how to just be present.
Like live.
Right?
Yeah.
I know you're trying to do the same thing too, just being present.
Yeah.
But
That's
like,
hard.
it's easy said than done. People say like, you can just slow down. But it's like, when you're consistently being on the grind,
Yeah.
you never stop what's next in your next objectives. You just think what's next.
Not everyone has like that clear path, I feel like these days. So, especially when you're like trying to hustle and make ends meet and stuff, like your mind is constantly on like go, go, go mode.
I know.
And it's like hard to like relax.
You know when people say like, oh, you love like doing this, you should just bank on it and keep going at it.
That's stressful.
But that takes away the fun from doing what you love to do.
I feel like for me it was like that too for a little bit, and now with my videos, like I'm trying to have more fun again with it versus like seeing it as like, oh, this is my job, but it's not my job. I mean, my job is posting and stuff, but my real work is It's just like sharing what I love, you know.
You make
That's
the world a better place. Just being you.
Aww. Me too. Soft boy tears.
Cries in silent G minor. You guys didn't see this?
So good.
Oh, is it? Okay. It's just anxiety and tears, but this 2020 is all about sunshine boys. No sad boys. You guys didn't catch us off camera, but while he was getting ready, he took 10 minutes, and he looks so good.
10 minutes is a long time.
But he would like, it was like crazy the transformation he can do. Like,
10 minutes is a long.
You should do a challenge next time. How fast you do your
2-minute challenge.
2-minute challenges. You can do that thing. And you know that commercial where they lay down a towel and they just like rub your face around like this, and it'll come out.
3, 2, 1, bam! It's like makeup. Wait, I asked some questions on Instagram too. Let's see. Somebody asked, who's your inspiration?
My inspiration? I'm inspired by a lot of things actually. I'm inspired by my brothers. I mean, like, they work really hard in what they did. And as much as I hate Willie, like, he works really hard in what he does, and I respect that.
Yeah.
I'm inspired by you and like a lot of friends, and like who are just so supportive and like happy. When I was really down, I talked to Ivan a lot, and a lot of other friends too that help me out. So there's so much support that I get a lot from inspiration. I draw that inspiration towards me today, and especially dance too. I think dance is something I always love to do, is for fun.
That's good. I mean, it's always nice to have like an active thing so you can see like what your body can do. I feel like I wish I could dance, but I could never.
I mean, maybe after a few drinks. And then go crazy.
I dance like the baby, the dancing baby. It's just like the 3D.
Could you have a meme in there? I have no idea.
He just goes like this, I think.
Go off,
like
Ivan.
really,
Please
like,
stand.
I can't. I don't know if this is your foundation shade because I only just use mine, so we'll see.
It's okay, like, honestly.
I think you'll blend out.
I used to work in BDL face shop a long time ago, and I made this woman really ashy. If anything happens to me, it's kind of like karma. If you could cosplay, what would you be?
I would be Timo from fucking League of Legends.
Would you be the cat rendition of like the costume?
No, I'll be
Like-
the fucking bee rendition. He has like a bee costume. It's literally like a mouse and a bee. Contour. This is the Etude House Play Stick. I really like this because it's like so affordable, but also like, since this is an anime look, I kind of want to make it a little bit more like dramatic.
Mm-hmm.
Do you speak French in Toronto?
You can just say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Ivan.
Je m'appelle Ivan.
Yeah, that's it.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle with me on my Ivan.
Nice. I can speak French now, guys!
Croissants!
Oui, oui. Do you remember the most popular girls in high school? The skit?
No, you show me. You know, I'm in for a ride.
Yeah. It was like Tumblr days. I'm
Multitasking.
old, fuck. It's Tumblr days.
Oh, yeah, the ones with the Barbies and stuff.
Yeah, one of them is French.
Okay.
It's so good. Anyways.
Cosplay. What would you guys think Ivan would be best represented as, though? But like, if you represent like an anime character, not like you picking, but like the closest anime character that would resemble you.
I don't know, I feel like I'd be a very chaotic, not good, not bad person.
So
just like
Sasuke.
I don't know much about Naruto. I used to watch like the first season. Have you watched Asobi Asobasa?
Yes, a bit.
That
Yes.
is so good. I love that show. But I want the look to be matte.
Because I'm really oily.
Literally so oily. I'm just kidding.
I'm like being red, like.
Like, I'm gonna shade with like a really gray, but just on the periphery of the face. Periphery vocab.
Wow, we stand educational English. Are you self-sculpting me?
Yeah.
Wow.
Soft glam.
You do a really good job, by the way. Exceptionally well.
Thank you. Stop. No, keep going. Keep going.
Chaotic energy.
Yeah, literally, that's me. But keep going.
You're drawing from like different things like dragon prints too, for the look, or like the red blush type stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna do an orange blush today. Who's your favorite drag queen?
I think I'd be Valentina. I think because I literally bought a beret.
That's like a really high one to be.
Oh, you don't think I'm worth it? My drag race. I bought a beret just to prove a point to Willie that whenever I'm mad, I just put the beret out saying, "Ladies, I am boiling." Just to have that one line.
I hate it. Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more. She's like so confident. Put some more. Let me go in with the brows. I'm gonna use brow powder. I don't usually because I don't have his brow shade.
What would you think the most overrated thing about LA is? As
The most overrated?
Yeah.
I think LA has just a lot of people. The traffic is, I mean, you hear people complain about the traffic, it's real.
I tried to order an Uber at like 5 or something and it's like $30.
Yeah, and you sit in traffic and it's like, I like LA too much. It's like, it's been nice, but it's been good to me. Like if you work hard in LA, I feel like anything's possible. That's what I like about it.
Do it up.
Good, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's really cute.
Right? Okay. Right, I'm gonna go into blush because that look had like, usually like a lot of, I mean anime looks, I feel like blush you can never go wrong really. But no, I'm just gonna place it under the waves, right here. Since you graduated, do you have any career goals? Whatever it is, I'm proud of you. Thanks for that question. So I'm gonna use this blush. And
So, career goals? I really didn't have one. So I graduated in sociology. I'm focusing on stats actually, which is so off of what I do usually because I love cosmetics and stuff, but doing something I like in the end. Right now I'm in marketing, which is really fun. I actually want to make it in a sense in the future that you're happy with what you buy and that I'm not selling trash to people, but selling good things for people, especially if it's eco-friendly, sustainable, you know, inclusive, diverse. That's what I really want to do, especially. In the cosmetics industry, I think we have a long way to go still. But when I graduated school, I didn't think I'd be doing cosmetics actually. I thought I'd be doing stats and working for the government, which I got offered for, but I declined it. But that just goes to show you that like, even if you graduate with what you did and major in, your career path is going to be so sporadic and doing whatever.
just try different things, right? Like whatever opportunity comes, you should try it. I always say like it's better to know what you don't want to do because then it'll like save you so much time.
Exactly, it's like stats, canceling out p-values and rejecting the null hypothesis and never mind. Oh, it's so cute, this palette.
I really like this. This is
It's
the Urban
really
Decay
cute.
Naked Reloaded, so close your eyes.
Would you ever visit Canada?
Yeah, why not? Oh my god, this shade's called Boundaries. I love it.
Boundaries? After saying Canada, he's like, boundaries.
Boundaries, Quincy. I'm
I
just
don't
kidding.
want to go. It's gonna be
Call me
cold.
out on camera. No, I would. Why not? Toronto has a big Asian population too, right?
Yeah, I think Vancouver and Toronto are the strongest actually. Sorry to my other Canadian friends, but you know.
Canadian. The only thing I know about Canada is the Canadian actor from 30 Rock. That's probably not even Canadian, right?
No, probably not.
So how do you reduce acne? Or spot, like
Spot treatment wise?
Darkness, yeah.
There's a whole thing. I actually have a post from Beauty Bay.
Oh, Beauty Bay.
Yeah, I saved it.
Doing skincare is good, I heard.
Yeah, I guess my personal skincare tip is first of all, like acne is normal. Like everyone should know a perfect skin, a flawless pore is like genetics. At that point, like it's genetics. Like, everyone's gonna have really bad skin days. I have bad skin days, and I'm sure Ivan has bad skin days. But
sorry, does this hurt?
Oh no.
Like acting like I'm professional. Like
fake it till you make it. But like back to acne, like I usually do leave-ons, like acne spot treatments. Usually that really help. I've been using a lot of benzoyl peroxide, which really does well in drying the acne head.
Yeah.
And then just exfoliating after with like a AHA, BHA physical exfoliant. Yeah. Which I think everyone is scared of now actually. But I find that too many acids, my skin got used to it that I went back to physical exfoliants. Not like St. Ives apricot scrub, but like...
Yeah. I think everyone's like afraid of physical exfoliants, but I think once in a while it's like...
Exactly. I use Cure still.
It's aqua gel, right?
Yeah. So then after drying the acne out, then I just exfoliate with... I'm kind of a physical exfoliant that's really sensitive to my skin, and then that kind of really helps with removing acne. I try my best and like drink a lot of water, do eat vegetables and stuff, and like fruits and greens, and that's it.
Yeah, you have to. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this like really dark color.
What anime did you grow up like watching?
I watched some like non-popular one. I feel like, well, it wasn't popular here. I feel like Ranma Half.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're the same artist as Inuyasha. And then I also grew up watching Detective Conan.
Detective Conan is still popular in Japan. It's like actually a thing still.
It's good. I mean, I really enjoyed it. But I read the books, so I didn't watch the anime.
He was manga. He was above everyone else.
I really was though. I'm just kidding. I really was. I was like reading while everyone was just like listening. I didn't read Harry Potter though. I'm gonna highlight with this Metal Moon. I rarely use it, but since this is like an anime, I feel like I can use it to like sort of highlight maybe. Okay, I'm gonna use highlighting like small things. I'm gonna put some faux freckles too. I'm
gonna be the anime boy who doesn't leave his room and just watches TV or Netflix with a cute sweater.
Yeah, it's very you.
Basically a normal person.
What would your power be if you had a power though?
You know what? I think if I had a power, it would be a lame power. Like, it would be so lame. Like Meg. When she does she's literally she's like scratching it. And the guy's like, ow. You're so that really hurt. Ow. Oh, I know. That would be me. I cannot. Oh my god. What would your powers be?
Mind control.
Oh my god.
Just kidding.
Wow. Very persuasive.
But in a good way though. Like I would make everyone that's like horrible into a good person. That's it. Not manipulative at all. Go like,
shut
your teeth.
Fuck. Sorry.
It's okay.
Can we edit it out, I think?
No.
Oh shit. Well, you guys have me on the full circle of a meme now. I better see screenshots of myself trying to pick it out of my mouth.
This is so good. This Sephora jelly melt. It's like so like, you know.
Yeah, the product is so smooth. And the component is really cute, I think.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
It's super cute. Look how busy he is. Can you check out his hand? He's trying to do his best to swatch for me.
It's a nice tone though.
Because like, I am a piece of work.
Artist. I'm an artiste. So, I'm gonna spray it real quick. I think I need more blush though.
Yeah, you're like the king of blush. Like, it looks so nicely swept.
Oh, I love blush. It's just like such a soft, like especially for boys.
You do challenge just using all blush, like eyeshadow, contour.
That's a good challenge, I feel like. I'm gonna use this color Pop Sailor Moon gloss.
Oh, that's so cute.
Just a little bit cool. I just wanted to use it, like you don't really need. All right, let's do your hair real quick.
Woo! Jeez! I look like a Sailor Moon, but if she like graduated from like shit and she's like
Sailor Moon in the real world.
In the real world, as a baddie now.
Wait, which Sailor Moon character do you like the most?
I like Mars. No, maybe Jupiter because she was really mean too. No, Mars was more or less.
Mars? I like Mars because she was wearing heels. I actually didn't like Usagi that much.
No, what?
I felt like she was kind of whiny.
Oh, that's me though.
But it's true, like I guess like at that age I would be whiny too if I had to fight crime. Like
yeah, responsibilities? Like, who laid it on to you?
I just wanted to boys. She did have a cat, so I guess I would be Usagi. I'm just kidding. No, I relate to Mercury also.
Mercury?
She always like pass out first.
Mercury Mercury's always in retrograde, which is why. Oh my god, I don't want to keep blinking because I keep messing it up. It actually looks stunning.
Okay, let's do your hair off camera and then we'll be right back.
I like those like TikTokers with Caucasian privilege comes with privilege.
Yes. You're powerful.
I feel it seething in now. You can't sue me because I'll talk to my dad first.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, it's so cute.
I love it.
I
I look like a...
Now I want to add blush. I feel like I need blush now.
We talked about this when I was doing my hair. The anime foreign kid who comes in of like the school and doesn't know any kind of like Japanese stuff, so they just say all these American words. They're like, hey, you!
Oh, I really like it. It looks
Painted by Ivan.
cute. Yay!
It's so good.
So this is the look. It's super cute. Very easy. If you want to get this look, I'm going to link all the makeup products down below too. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being on my channel.
Thank you.
Yay! So I'll link Quincy's socials down below also, so don't forget to check me out. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I can't get over this look, shit.
Yay!
It's really good, I love it.
Like a strawberry. Like if you were a fruit, you'd be a strawberry.
I would.
I look like a moldy strawberry.
Don't waste it, just still eat it. Still eat.
So yeah, this is the look. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.